Hello everyone. Let's continue our chapter 10 Life in the Desert. Today our topic is cold desert Ladakh. So as we have already discussed about the location of Ladakh, so Ladakh is a cold desert which is lying in the Great Himalaya on the eastern side of Jammu Kashmir. As you can see in the map, it is lies in the eastern uh, side of Jammu Kashmir. It enclosed by between Karakoram range and Jaskar range. You can see, and here is Karakoram range. So it is enclosed by Jaskar and Karakoram range. It lies between these two mountain range of the Great Himalayas. The world's second largest peak, Mount Godwin, lies in Ladakh, which is located in the Karakoram range. And it is a land of many glacier, like famous Siachen Glacier situated here, and Leh situated on river Indus and is the capital of Ladakh. For the better administration of Ladakh, it is divided into two districts in 1979 in Leh and Ladakh, Leh and Kargil, sorry. So here is a map. You can see Indus River, Kargil, and uh, the capital of Ladakh, Leh. Okay. Now it is a land of, it is a attractive tourist center also. And the climate of Ladakh is cold. It is a cold as being the rain shadow of the high range. It receives less rainfall, about 10 centimeter rainfall annually. And temperature drop very low during winter, minus 30 degrees Celsius to minus 40 degrees Celsius, while summer is short and cold. Now let's talk about the flora and fauna of Ladakh. So the patches of grasses and shrubs provide limited pasture for the animals. In summer, when the temperature just go down the just above the 0 degree, apples, apricot, walnut, and bloom in the valley. Willow and poplar trees are common in this uh, area. The common animal are yak, goat, and sheep is found in this area, and the popular the these animal provide milk, meat, hide, butter, cheese, leather, and uh, or hair of these animal for clothing. The people use this as a resource for their trade. And yak is the most important and best burden in this region. Now, if we talk about the people of this region, so the major part of the population here is Buddhist and Muslim. So the entire region is dotted with monasteries and gompas. Potatoes, rice, yak, meat are the staple diet of the people. Women do lots of work. They are do their domestic work side by side. They also run small shops. So domestic work as well as outdoor work. Men undertake herding sheep and cattle. Major occupation is the weaving of pashmina shawls, which comes from the wool of chiru antelopes. With the, and this is endangered species. Rugs, carpet from sheep and yak hair from popular trade product. Ladakh is popular tourist destination, lays a well connected with the road and airways. Now here is a let's see the important features or the center of for the tourist. So you can see the Ladakh, the main river flow through the Ladakh. This is this, you can see this river, this Indus River, which flow through the Ladakh. And there are the small river flowing through the Ladakh also, the other like Shyok River, Nubro, Suru, and Janskar. These river are the life support of Ladakh. Panging Lake is a busiest of the all lake and it has a charm of its own. Where is a Panging Lake? Here. Pangong Lake is a charming for of its own. The many tourists visit this lake. Now next one is the people of Ladakh are mostly Buddhists, as I told you. So the landscape all around are dotted with the Buddhist monasteries. So the local language, they are called Gompas. Buddhist monastery, the worship place. So local language, it is known as Gompas. The most important monastery is the Hamis Gompas. Okay. It is about 40 km away from Ladakh. It is a great attraction spot for the tourists, especially for annual festival where dance, drama, and local song is in supreme. I hope it is understood by all.